there. YouTube, it's Tez. We back with another video today, and we're gonna get y'all some POV driving of what it's like to drive a single turbo automatic, or a single turbo M54 with an automatic transmission. It's tuned to XHP stage 3. And before this video starts, yes, I know I got lights on the dash. I know exactly what's going on with the car, and I'm about to take care of it. So I don't want to hear nothing about no lights. I'm doing this video for y'all, so y'all enjoy it. Don't be saying that. It's a BMW, bro. All the car needs is a clock spring behind the steering wheel and a wheel speed sensor in the front right. The check engine is for O2 sensor. I had an O2 sensor that I thought was good, that I had bought brand new on my other car, but I didn't know which one, if it was bank 2 or bank 1. So I took a risk, and it was bank 1 that I swapped, but that one ended up being bad. So I got to get an O2 sensor, clock spring, front wheel speed sensor, and I'm get another trach, new rotors as well, because I bought brand new R1 Concept drilled and slotted rotors for the car, but the drilled and slotted rotors from that company, they tend to get warped. I don't know why. There's no hate towards them, but even back when I had my my convertible 335, like every time I would get the drilled and slotted, it would literally like be warped, bro. So yeah, so I just want to make like a little video for y'all. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Oh, they're doing work on the side.
At the
All right,
roundabout,
let me go past.
take the second exit onto State, Route 155A.
It sounds nasty. I daily drive this car, and I love it. I mean, who wouldn't? It's not the fastest thing, but I think that it makes decent power on 93, like maybe around 6. Hopefully y'all can see how much boost I'm hitting. I love the sounds that it gives off, like when I turbo flutter. I wouldn't boost too much. I'm trying to get y'all to hear it. Which way she said go? She said go around this way, right? There goes C8 right there. Oh my goodness! Sounds that this car gives off. That's crazy. And I like auto better because you stay in boost. It's intoxicating, bro. It's intoxicating. I can't wait till I take care of these lights though, so I don't have to hear nobody's mouth. The only thing I'm going to worry about is the TPMS sensor and the passenger restraint lights. It's just a seat belt on that side. Oh, is that roadkill? Oh, that deer was cut in half, bruh. Oh my goodness. this turbo just sounds so good, bro. Excuse me, sir. And I know some people ask me like, why am I letting off after I shift? Yeah, I am. Definitely letting off. I just like the way it sounds when I let off the gas when I shift. It almost sounds like I'm driving a manual. It's not a manual, bro. But this is how it is when I daily the car every day. I don't usually keep it in manual mode like this. I usually just leave it in drive and when I'm cruising around, but for the sake of the video, I'm be in manual mode. So I'm gonna try to do like a little 40 roll so y'all can see how this car acts from second gear. Thank God I got coilovers, because boy, this car is taking that corner like a champ. Those wastegates are screaming, bro. Screaming. I was shifting at like 7 grand. See, like now I got the car in drive, but driving the auto is kind of like around town and whatnot, and drive is kind of, I wouldn't say it's bad, but you just have to give the car a lot more gas to get it going, to get the car to move, because of how laggy this turbo is. But see, like
in 1.8 miles, turn right onto Wesley Chapel Road.
See, I have to like kick down like a gear or two, like when I'm rolling like around 50 or so, because the car will be in 6th gear, and then like I have to like push it down. Like pretty much everywhere I go, I'm like, I have the gas pedal more than 50% throttle until I'm like cruising at like 60 or so. On the highway is good, but like daily driving around here is like it's alright. I deal with it. But that was like one of the biggest things I had to get used to, coming from big twins over to single on an auto. But yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long. Hopefully that was enough pulls and stuff for y'all. But if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss another upload, and turn that post notification on so you actually get a notification when I upload, so you don't miss no videos like this, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Let's go.